Hello and welcome. Today we have with us Anant and Tashina, the directors of Anmax Energy Private Limited. Could you please give us an overview and an introduction to your company?
Hi, Anmax aims to make solar affordable and easily accessible to all our customers. Once they sign up, we take care of everything, right from government paperwork, the installation, right up to dispersing their subsidies to them. So we do it very uniquely in that we use a lot of technology. Typically, for home solar, the customer first calls the company, there'll be a site visit, then there'll be a lot of negotiation, all that. In our system, a customer comes to our website, signs up, and selects the solar layout and the solar structure. Together we call it the solar model. And then he knows what the price will be, and he knows how much subsidy will be. He can make a booking amount, and then we start the work from there. So we make it really easy for a customer to select the type of solar he wants for his house.
So could you tell us about how Anmax was launched?
I think Anant will be better poised to take this question.
So Anmax was launched in 2019. Tashina and I previously had a startup, but we both realized that we want to get into anything to do with climate change. Like we don't want to just do something just to make money. We had a little bit of an environmental bent of mind, and then pandemic happened, and then we had to sort of relaunch Anmax in 2022-23. And since then we have made great strides because we both from IT background. We have used IT extensively in our systems. In fact, our customers can track in real time what's happening on their site. They can request maintenance from our website itself. So we have done over 100 installations since we have launched, and we are on track to doing a lot more this year.
Talking about your website, could you inform our viewers about how you go through your sign-up procedure?
Yes. So whoever's interested can come to anmax.in and sign up with their phone number. They'll receive an OTP. After signing up, there are few basic questions like how big is your bill, and once you answer that, we assess how big your requirement is. Like it might be 10 kilowatt, and then once that requirement is established, you can then select the layout of the panels on your roof, depending on the type of roof you have, and you can even select different structures that we have available. Once you make that selection, you go to the checkout page, you're shown the same price. So we don't vary the price as per the customer. Everybody's shown the same price. Of course, the prices vary because of the raw material price variance, but you can book your solar for that particular price by paying 10,000 rupees online, and then our team will then take it from there, and they'll do the installation and right up to the subsidy dispersal.
And what is your installation process like?
So once the customer decides that they want to go ahead with solar and they do make the payment, we have someone, our site assessment team, who goes out to the site and makes a design document. Once that design document is ready, our installation team takes over, does the installation. And while that is happening, our back office team does all the government licensing, government paperwork, so that once your installation is complete and you're connected to the grid, you will get your subsidies.
Right. And how different is Anmax Solar Energy from other solar companies?
I think our technology would be our differentiating factor. The way we allow a customer to sort of get information in real time, to make his own decision regarding the type of solar that he's looking for, how we facilitate loans through our portal itself, and our technology would be our differentiation factor, like compared to any other solar company that we know of. And on the back office side, for example, we are able to manage a lot of projects because of our technology. Everything is managed in real time. So any other company attempting to do the same volume will struggle a lot. And I think those are the key areas where
the technology and the difference it makes when it comes to the customer experience.
All right. Okay. Could you tell us about how your how you install the solar panels on the Patra rooftops?
So around this time of the year, around March till June, a lot of houses in Goa would undergo waterproofing exercise where they'll install Patra on their roof. So what we offer, like a combined solution, we sell Patra as well as solar in the same deal, and it's much cheaper than just install. If you install Patra separately from us, it's very expensive. And if you install Patra with us, not only is it cheaper, you actually get subsidy for solar, which can kind of offset your Patra cost as well. So yeah, I think Patra Solar is a great scheme, and we are in the process of launching it.
And what is the vision for Anmax in the future?
Anmax actually aims to do a lot of things. So we don't just want to be just a solar installation company. We really want to get into sustainability as a whole, and also distributed networks and nodes. So solar is allowing us to build a network of people who are also environmentally minded, and so definitely it's a great asset for us. We look at it as an opportunity going into future. The more work we do, the more that network grows. So we look at different use cases and business cases that will come through in the future.
Thank you so much for joining us today, and we appreciate your time. Yeah.
Thank you so much.